Hello children, let's start chapter 22, data handling, the last chapter of your syllabus. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn how to collect relevant data and present it as a frequency distribution table. And we will also learn to evaluate three representative values like mean, median and mode. And we will also see or learn how to make bar graph. So first of all, understand what is organization of data. Some data collection will be given to you and you have to say it is grouped data or ungrouped data. What is this grouped and ungrouped data? So here I have written some scores scored by batsmen. Okay, in a cricket match series. 30, 86, any batsman has got 42 run and anyone got 69. Some different runs scored by different batsmen. Okay, but you can see this is not arranged in any order. Okay, so if it is not arranged, it is called ungrouped data. This type of data is called raw data or ungrouped data. Okay, and if I will arrange these scores in any order like ascending order or descending order, then it will become grouped data. Okay, so grouped data will be arranged in any order either in descending or in ascending, but ungrouped data will not be arranged. Now what is this range? Understand what is this range? So range of this data, suppose you have to find out, then we have to first find out the maximum highest run scored by any batsman. What is the highest run here? I think 115. And lowest run you have to find out. What is the lowest run? 4. Yes, 4 is the lowest run. So range is nothing but it is simply highest value minus lowest value. Whenever you have to find out the range, you will find out the difference of these two. Highest value minus lowest value. Means highest is 115, lowest is suppose 4. Then 115 minus 4. Got it? So range is this. Now what is mean? Mean or arithmetic mean, or you can say it as average value also. Okay, what is arithmetic mean or mean? It is just sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. Means we will sum all these observation divided by number of observation. Means how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 21 is the number of observation and above we will write sum of all the observation. Means we will add up all these numbers to find out the mean. Got it? Now how to find out the median? So to find out the median, we have two formulas. One for the odd and one for the even. What is this odd and even? So number of observation, if it is odd in number, then we will use this formula. And number of observation will be even in number, then we will use this formula. What is this formula but n plus 1 by 2? N is what here? N is number of terms, number of observation. Here number of observation was 21. So 21 in the place of n we will write 21. Plus 1 by 2, and after that we will cancel and find out the number, that is that term value will be the median. Okay, and if the number will be even, this is 21, that was odd, but suppose number of observation will be even, that time you will use this formula, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term by 2. First of all, we will find out this two terms value and we will divide it by 2. The number will be the number whatever will come, that will be the median. Okay, but first of all you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order before finding out the median. To find out the median, it is very necessary to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Got it? Now what is this mode? Mode is just a value of the observation which occurs maximum number of times. Suppose in this any number is occurring again and again. again and again, means maximum number of times, that value will be the mode. So mode is simple, there is no formula for this. It is simple, the number which occurs maximum number of times. Got it? So come to the question of exercise 22.1 so that you will understand it better. Through the question, we will understand it. Okay, first question of exercise 22.1. The marks scored by 11 students in a mathematics test are as follows. These are the marks scored by 11 students. You can see 11 values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you have to find out the range. You have to find out the mean or median and mode also. All the 4 values. So first of all, find out the range. As I have told you, what is range? Highest value minus lowest value. So can you say which is the highest value here? I think 50. And the lowest value, which is lowest, 30. Okay, we will find out the difference between this value will be equal to the range. So first of all, here what we will do, we will arrange these numbers in ascending order because we have to find out the median also. So it is necessary to arrange the data in any order. So I have arranged this in ascending order. You can see 30, then 31, 34, 34, 34. 34 occurred 3 times. Then 36, 37, 38, 38. 38 2 times. 45 and last 50. Now first of all, we will find out the range. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. What is the highest value here? 50. And lowest value? 30. So 50 minus 30 equals to 20 marks. 20 marks is the range. Okay. Now arithmetic mean also we have to find out in B number. So mean formula we know, sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of observation means we will add up all these numbers. So we have added it and divided by number of observation. We know it is 11 in number. Okay. So we will divide it by 11. Now sum of observation is equal to 407 divided by 11. If you will cancel it, 11 3 ja 33 and 11 7 ja 77. We will get 37. So 37 marks will be the average marks, or you can say mean marks or arithmetic mean also. Okay. Now how to find out the median? So I have told you that for median we have 2 formulas. One for the odd observation and one for the even. So here which formula you are going to apply? Tell me. 11. There are 11 observation. Number of observation is 11 and 11 is an odd number. So we are going to use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th term. For odd, you can see for odd I have given this formula. If n is odd, we will use this formula, and if n is even, we will use this formula. Okay. So if n is odd, n is equal to what? 11 here. Okay. Now n plus 1 by 2th term. So 11, in place of n you will write 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 12 by 2. This is that much term. And 6th term. 6th term. 6 is not the median. 6th term will be the median. What is the 6th term? Look at here. We have arranged this data in ascending order. So in this data only 6th term you have to find out. First term, second term, third term, fourth, 5th, 6th. So 36 is the median. Got it? So we will write 36 is the median. So it is necessary to arrange the data in order to find out the median. I hope it is clear to you. Next is mode. How to find out the mode, students? We know mode is the number which occur maximum number of times. So you can see here which number occurred maximum number of times. 34. 34 occurred 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So and 38 occurred 2 times only. And rest of the number 1 time. So 34 will be the mode because it occurred maximum number of times in the data. Got it? Now question number 2. The rainfall in millimeter in a city over 7 days of a certain week is recorded as follows. Rainfall On Monday 3.5 millimeter, and Tuesday 8.2, Wednesday 0.0, Thursday 20.5, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, rainfall measurement is given. You have to find out the range of the amount of rainfall from the above data. Range means maximum value minus minimum value. What is the maximum here? 20.5. What is the minimum here? 0. 0 is the minimum, no? So how to find out the range? Very simple. Look at here. Question number 2. Range of the rainfall is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. That will be equal to 20.5 minus 0 will be equal to 20.5. Okay. But in the next question, you have to find out the mean rainfall for the week. Mean means arithmetic mean only. So we will add up all the observation divided by number of observation. Number of observation is 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will divide it by 7. If you will add, you will get 45.5 divided by 7. That will be equal to 6.5. This is the mean. And you have to find out for how many days was the rainfall more than the average. Means how many days the rainfall was more than the average. Average is 6.5. More than this, how many days? Just see. This one, more than 6.5. This is also more than 6.5. This is not more than 6.5. It is less than 6.5. This is also less than 6.5. This is also less than 6.5. This is also less than 6.5. This is more than 6.5. So 1, 2, 3. 3 days. Which 3 days? Tuesday, Friday and Thursday. So 3 days will be rainfall is more than 6.5. More than average. Average is this only. Mean is only called as average. Got it? So in this video, up to here only, question number 3 students we will discuss in the next video. In that video, I will explain you how to make frequency distribution table. Till then, complete up to question number 2. Okay.